For manual updating of exception policy, we will look at the second rule here. This is a bypass policy or exception to inspection policy for a web category that we have defined called DPI SSL bypass, which is a manually updated custom group. Anything put into this group will be bypassed for DPI SSL inspection. Additionally, with this rule, we can set up a DPI bypass rule using a custom content filtering category. In this case, we have online banking and online brokerage, which are excluded because they're pinned apps for compliance and data security reasons. For automatic updating, we will look at a dynamic group that we have that collects the IPs for AWS CloudFront. In this case, we can see that it is automatically updated every 24 hours from a custom list that we have for AWS CloudFront IPs. Moving back over to policy, we have built a rule that allows for the automatic update and bypass of AWS CloudFront IP addresses. We see that this is the destination. This is the bypass function. And these are automatically updated every 24 hours for automatic bypass of DPI SSL. For automatic update of TLS decryption management, we'll head to Policy tab. And our deep packet inspection for SSL traffic client SSL section. From here, I can head to the common name section. This will show all websites that are automatically excluded from DPI SSL inspection due to certificate pinning issues. We can exclude specific addresses, services, and users from this page for manual TLS decryption exception. For TLS decryption to work appropriately, the correct certificate has to be added to the device. Capture Client has made it where we can easily push a certificate to a device even when it does not have Active Directory certificate pushed automatically. In this case, the M. Johnson machine has the certificate pushed to it automatically. From the user machine perspective, we see that Capture Client has pushed the correct certificate automatically down to the end user machine, regardless of Active Directory's certificate status, allowing DPI SSL or TLS inspection to occur regardless of Active Directory integration. One of the features of SonicWall's TLS decryption is the ability to intercept malware being pushed through Secure Shell or SSH. As you can see, a user has tried to use the sudo command to push SCP traffic across the link. However, it was stopped as indicated by the broken pipe output. This behavior can also be viewed on the firewall. We can see 12 observed virus threats, and we'll click on that. From there, we can drill down into the individual virus instance. And here we can see that SSH was used, 2 sessions, 0 bytes transfer for a total block. Additionally, we can see information like source and destination address and user address should that be applicable.